So today is going to be the start of a new day, and this is going to be the start of the road to 100x for Baby Doge. So kind of what I'm already doing, but we're going to be documenting it, and we're going to be documenting Baby Doge getting to 100x. So let's do this strategically and logically. So to 100x, where would Baby Doge be from now? So if you actually go ahead and you look at this, let's just do it by the market cap. If right now we are at 198 million in market cap, let's see what it would take us to 100x inside of Baby Doge. So that 100x will look like this: $19.8 billion in market cap. And if we actually look at the fully diluted market cap, it'll be a lot different because we're burning a lot of coins as well. So adding in the burned coins, really our road to about 100x is going to be more so like 10 billion to 15 billion in market cap, and I really think that's possible. And this is going to be episode 1, so definitely stick around to the end of the video. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. This is going to be a daily thing. We're going to talk about this every day, just like how we do now, but this is going to be an extra video that I'll make that will be the road to 100x for Baby Doge. We'll just document our process here and our progress. So first of all, we're going to talk about the new stuff that we just now got in Baby Doge. We now just got this Moo, and I almost said Moo Moo, but Moo Inu official now is sponsored farming on Baby Doge Swap. So this is actually pretty big. Now we have this farming for Moo Inu. I almost keep saying Moo Moo. But anyways, Moo Inu is now on there for the farming. And yeah, we're getting a lot of different pairs on here. So here's the Moo, and then you got Shine here, and you got CHRP. So yeah, we're getting more and more farming pairs. And then now we also have these pools for staking Grove token and for some other things here. So a lot of different projects are actually starting to come in here. So I think the Baby Doge ecosystem is definitely going to grow to become a vast ecosystem. So this is actually pretty good. I'm definitely pretty excited to see this happening here inside of Baby Doge. Now, look at this. $2 million is already inside of this total pair right here for liquidity. That's a lot. 1.2 million in this one. So we're going to continue to grow here. $920,000 in that one. This Moo Inu already has $24,000. And something else that a lot of people didn't notice, Grove token was actually trending. So let me go ahead and type inside of Grove. Grove token was actually trending. Here it is. Yeah, Grove token trending. And that's actually pretty big because they just now got listed on Huobi Exchange, and they're also partnered with us. So I think the new growth strategy for Baby Doge is actually going to be a really good growth strategy. And this is just going to all these different projects, getting them sponsored with us, getting them joining our ecosystem, our Baby Doge swap, our farming, our pools. And when they join there, anything good that happens for them is going to be good for us and vice versa. So this is definitely a pretty good strategy. And Grove token is actually growing at a really fast pace. So this is definitely really big for us. So congratulations to the whole Grove community here. And yeah, the Grove token is growing fast. So anything that we get into, like anything we get into with any of these other cryptos, is going to be good for us and good for them. So I'm definitely really happy with this growth. But yeah, the road to 100x with Baby Doge is going to be a nice road. It's going to be a long road. Maybe we don't get there inside of a year. Maybe we don't get there in 2 years. Maybe we don't get there in 3 years. But I will continue to update you all until we get that 100x for Baby Doge. So this is going to be a new little series we got on this channel, and we're going to be talking about this now. Look at our holders. Our holders are growing a lot as well. 1,625,201 holders total here inside of Baby Doge. That's pretty good, actually. And if you look at what we had yesterday and the day before that, yeah, we're definitely growing a lot here. Thousands of holders coming in every single week. We're doing pretty good here with Baby Doge. And as for our prices right now, our prices are a little bit stagnant, only up 2.7% for the day. Not too bad, compared to what some other projects are doing. But other projects are up by a little bit more. But even though Bitcoin, we're still higher than Bitcoin right now in the last 24 hours, we're still higher than a lot of these other projects in the last 24 hours. We're not going to be able to beat XRP right now. They're having a really good run up right now. So yeah, that's definitely good to see. But yeah, let's talk about some technical analysis here. So earlier on in the day for Baby Dogecoin, we ended up getting rejected here at 1288. So we got rejected at 8Z1288. That's 8 zeros and then a 1288 at the end. So we got rejected there. And now it kind of looks like we stopped here for our support, which is essentially around 1230. So if we stopped around 1230 now, I'm really hoping we have enough momentum to rise back above this 1250 resistance here. So hopefully we can actually rise above that level and then eventually take it all the way up here to about 1380. That's going to be where our top resistance is. So hopefully we can take it all the way up there. Now let's look over here at the 4-hour chart though. So the 4-hour chart is also showing us we need to get up there. But what you're also seeing, it has a higher resistance now. So this higher resistance is all the way up here at the top side around 1500. We really need to get the 1500. And before that, on the 4th of October, we got actually stopped out at about 1450. So that's definitely pretty good. We need to get it way above that. And then the immediate support for us, if we continue to go down, will be around 1140 for that support. So we'll see what comes up there here inside of Baby Doge. And we have top resistance levels all the way up here, but we're really not looking towards those right now. We're going to have to wait to see that. But as for the oscillator here for Bitcoin, you're actually seeing a bullish signal is being sent out here in Bitcoin for the oscillator, which is pretty much being indicated by the selling slowing down, which is a bullish signal as the selling slows down. So you can actually see we hit the support down here at 19.3K. Talked about this yesterday. And now that we're at this support, look over here. This whole red area shows we have a little bit less demand in this area. And there's also a high activity area expected here. So I think we will become bullish and we might actually get above this area. And this high activity could be some high buying activity. So we actually may have a high buying activity there. And there's a bullish signal. So this kind of tells us we're about to become bullish here inside of Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin has that possibility to get all the way up here to 20K Bitcoin. So if it does, I do believe we will get rejected at 20K. That's just what I think personally. But hey, who knows? But anyways, let's go ahead and bring up the 4-hour chart here for Bitcoin. So 4-hour chart is showing something a little bit different. Now, the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin is actually showing that we are oversold here on Bitcoin. So if we're oversold, that means that buying is about to come in. So that kind of confirms what we just now looked at here for the 15-minute chart. See, the 15-minute chart is showing this bullish signal down here, and it shows high activity expected, which could be high buying activity. And then if you look over here, it also says oversold. So it kind of tells us, yeah, we're about to get some buying. The buying could bring us here to, like I said, 20K or even possibly to 20.8K. There's 20K resistance here, and then the top side here at 20.8K, or it can continue to rise us up here to this high activity area, and then we could actually have even more buying in Bitcoin to bring us all the way up here. But the reason why I think we won't get all the way up to 27K, just look at what's been happening the past few months. Like really, we have not been able to get above there, and we just keep getting rejected, and the rejection areas keep getting lower and lower. So 27K probably won't happen. But look, the rejection lines are just getting lower and lower after every single pump. The next one will probably be like I said, 20.8K. So I don't know. We could see that happening, and then another rejection, and then further down we go. So that's personally what I think could happen here with Bitcoin. But hey, let me know what you all think inside the comment section. Let me know what you think about this new Baby Doge series we're about to be starting, which is going to be the Baby Doge Road to 100x. This is episode 1. We're going to keep going with this until we see that 100x in Baby Doge, which will essentially be around 15 billion inside of market cap, considering that we are going to be burning coins by then. So we really don't even have to look at 19 billion. We can just look at 15 billion, because really we're just trying to get our fully diluted market cap to 19 billion. That's going to be our fully diluted. That will be 100x for now. But if we're just looking at the market cap not fully diluted, we're really trying to get that market cap more so around 10 billion to 15 billion dollars. But yeah, let me know what you all think. Leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.